Boss में भेजना हो तो who would be the most fun,
100%
crazy,
yeah,
who
Humaira.
would give us the most?
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि when you got ready for the family function, everybody is ready, and then something happens at the place, कुछ लड़ाई हो गई घर में, and there's some confusion, and then you end up not going and washing the makeup. And then
I have a big bag in my house that has other bags.
yeah.
Do you have that?
Yeah.
Same.
If you're home alone and some rishtedars they show up, so what are you going to cook for them?
Huh?
I won't cook.
Exactly. What? I don't understand this question.
Number one is कि अगर परिवार के लोगों में से आप ही के जो फिल्म के परिवार के लोग हैं उनमें से किसी को बिग बॉस में भेजना हो तो who would be the most fun,
100%
crazy,
yeah,
who
Humaira.
would give us the most TRP?
No.
बिग बॉस में वो कैप्टन बनते हैं, राइट? हाउस कैप्टन ऐसा कुछ होता है,
हाँ, the one
If
who
Humaira,
rules. Yeah.
the character was, we're not sending you, don't worry.
Not you, not you.
You
Character.
cannot survive
Character.
with
You're not
like
going.
less ration and no nothing. Okay, but if Humaira was to go, yeah, she would be captain every week.
Yeah.
And
I
what
don't-
would be you doing?
Huh? We would be in the audience.
She would be voting for me.
We would be in the audience.
I would be sitting out and voting.
Yeah, we'll be doing that.
Yeah.
Audience.
Only she would go.
Yeah, she's
and
great.
Who else from the cast?
She. Oh wait. Pura.
Somebody should be cooking. Somebody
No,
should be.
please,
doing
yeah.
other
He'll
stuff
be
as
voted
well.
out in the first week, but he'll go. I think it'd be great.
I would have. Maybe
I'm
if I
just
get a
feeling-
choice,
I
I'll
feel
take
like-
Joyita.
Oh, very interesting choice.
Na?
Actually, very interesting choice.
Very interesting choice.
Latika.
Joyita
Yeah,
would be-
Latika. Yeah, the character Latika. I would
But
take
what
Latika.
would she be doing? Like
we're talking about
cooking or
characters,
like-
not
Yeah, yeah.
actors.
The characters.
Yeah.
So Latika is a very, very interesting character in the film, and she's performed it to the T. Joyita, the
Yeah.
actor, and I think वो जैसी character है वैसी एक character Big Boss में अगर होगी तो audience
Very
को बहुत
very
entertainment
entertaining.
मिलेगा,
Very
बहुत
very
entertainment
entertaining.
मिलेगा.
She will stir up drama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अगर आप लोग एक्टर्स नहीं होते तो किस प्रोफेशन में होते? Starting from you.
I'd be an engineer. Like I mean, I studied engineering, so I'd be an engineer. I think.
And
Sadly. No
If
offense.
I was not an actor, I would be somebody who wants to be an actor.
Oh my God.
wow, lovely.
Just Miss Congeniality.
yeah, exactly.
I gave her the crown already.
Stealing hearts already. And what about you?
I was in a fashion college. I would have finished that course, I think. But I'm so glad. Acting was a happy accident in my life, and I'm so glad it happened
Yeah.
when it did.
By the way, मैं इसकी super senior हूँ.
Oh wow.
ये भी निफ्ट से है, मैं भी निफ्ट से हूँ. पर ये निफ्ट दिल्ली से है, मैं निफ्ट मुंबई से हूँ.
Oh nice.
Delhi is better. Everybody knows.
With more class. Also, if you're talking about family drama, ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि when you got ready for the family function, everybody is ready, and then something happens at the place, कुछ लड़ाई हो गई घर में, and there's some confusion, and then you end up not going and washing the makeup and then sleeping. Has it ever happened?
Gaurika, do you want
No,
to
no, no. I don't want to share.
Like, I'm very worried.
Has it ever happened? Usually, I had a call. I had a call with my friend, and she was telling me, so I
Yeah.
just thought of adding that.
No,
has
So
it
I've
that
heard of
effect?
things like that.
No,
Yeah.
And I
really.
faintly remember that maybe something like that did happen in my family, my dad's side family. So my dad's side family is quite Shamsuddin.
Yeah.
मतलब बहुत सारी मेरी बुआएं हैं, my चाचा's cousins बहुत सारे हैं, तो हम लोग ज़्यादातर वो लोग सब दिल्ली में हैं. तो we all meet during shadis and stuff. I do remember when I was younger ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. ऐसा, yeah.
Drama.
Actually, once I've gotten ready, by the way, and not gone to the thing, and it was a wedding celebration.
Really?
Yes.
If I get
But
ready,
what
I'm
is
No,
it?
getting out.
listen, I got
I
ready.
get ready.
Other
I did some nice photos, I did all that, and then I checked Google Maps and it said 2.5 hours. There was no point because
Yeah,
that thing would have been over by then. So I didn't end up going.
Shreya would be like, मेरा makeup तो कर लिया, चलो ये शादी नहीं, I'll go for another one.
I will. If I
But that's true,
decide
and I
to
gate
maximize.
crash
The day
also.
I am ready, I will.
Yeah.
I will
yeah.
go
Totally.
out of the house.
Yes,
This
and-
much has
yeah,
happened. I'm
correct,
not staying indoors.
Absolutely.
Also,
It's
that,
too
what's
much
that
effort.
one thing you'll find in every household? For example, कहीं में cookie boxes के अंदर batteries रखी होती है. So something.
No,
you know,
we get sui dhaga in cookie boxes.
Yeah. That's also there. So,
That round one, no? The Danish
The
cookie thing.
butter cookies. Everybody has
but
that.
what are the other things? I mean, you find in most of the households.
Old remote.
Theli. Yes,
And वो उसकी
batteries.
वो batteries. Yeah, right.
They're just there.
I think we have all the remotes that have ever existed or come into the
wires,
house.
the wires. I mean, they are of
Wires.
Yeah, now it's the chargers.
charger.
Also.
They wires also, but we
बहुत
still have
सारे,
like
yeah.
90s के ज़माने से like all the.
Yeah.
We have a lot of. I have a big bag in my house that has other bags.
yeah.
Do you have that?
Yeah.
Same. Yeah, see all the bags which have other bags and boxes.
So now I
That's very useful.
It's a very
Even I do that.
It's a very tough question, and everybody, we won't give you much time to think about it.
Oh shit.
परिवार के 5 प्रायवाची synonyms 5. परिवार के 5 synonyms.
कुटुंब.
Okay, one she got.
खानदान
नहीं हिंदी में ही बोलना है
No, I just
क्या
came-
है
No, English में
family
She said family
One-
के synonyms.
नहीं परिवार के
परिवार
So
के।
one and then
बच गए खानदान
I said
आपने
खानदान।
आपने मेरा सुना
She said
लेकिन
two.
But
I only did to impress
She
you.
got
She said calm down already.
okay.
Yes, we got
कुटुंब,
3.
खानदान
How many do we need?
5.
5 चाहिए
Oh,
Shit, man.
गृहस्थी
Okay, wow.
household.
Yes.
yeah.
household not
Yes,
family.
yes.
Household.
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 Okay, household.
Now you're doing Hindi and English.
Why not? Yeah,
Family,
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 परिवार and
परिवार.
family.
Okay, okay. I like
This is a little off. They are not exact synonyms, but you get
We got it. We
you
got
get
it.
the gist.
We got it.
What is that one family rule that you all want to break? Something, you know, which has been followed and you want to break. Bas ho gaya. Now we're not going to follow it. Maybe from the film or maybe in real life you've seen some rule and then you want to break it. For me, okay, I'll just give the answer.
Please.
Yeah.
Everybody's like 11 बजे phone बंद करके सो जाओ. I
That's
want
a
to break.
good
I want to
rule.
break
That's
that
a good rule.
No,
though.
don't
You know,
break it.
everybody, now we are all grown-ups and we should be
true,
living our own
absolutely.
lives. So now what
Oh, you're looking at it like that. I
Yeah.
think the shutting off phone at 11 is a great idea.
Great. Yeah, I wish I could do it.
But you know, what is that one thing that you want to like change or tweak a little about the family?
I would say like a general Indian thing. I know maybe this is a horrible thing to say, but don't blindly follow traditions. Maybe.
You know, I was going to say something on the same lines.
Yeah.
I think I would like my family, oh my god, and other families to follow evidence-based
Ooh. Yes, that's correct.
medicine.
And also,
That's
अगर-
100%. Please say it again.
I mean, it's not so bad in my family, but like my dad's a doctor, so that's, you know, in our family. But yeah, I think that we as Indians rely a lot on
Auntie ने बोला
alternate
था, यहाँ से
healing
सुना
or
था.
hearsay
right,
or
right.
yeah,
We do.
I just think we can be a little bit, our scientific temperament can be better.
Oh, yes.
And also, if you're home alone and you know some rishtedars they show up, so what are you going to cook for them?
Huh?
I won't cook.
Exactly. What I don't understand this question.
I
But
won't.
you know what?
They don't know my strength is presentation, not
yeah, yeah.
cooking.
No, but
so I
this
will
is
order,
nothing,
but
but
present it wonderfully.
Something at least, something.
No,
at
if
least
somebody
one
comes
dish,
to my
one
house
dish.
and I have to do something, I'll go to Kritika's house.
Not even that. So what is that one thing that you cook? I mean, you like
Maggi.
cooking in.
I can do Maggi.
मैं तो मैगी भी नहीं बनाती.
I can do Maggi. That
I can make a decent cheese board that needs no cooking. Just put things together.
I have eaten this cheese board twice.
Also, one thing that you want to steal from your co-stars, one thing you want to steal from Kritika, and then you know so on.
I mean, she's always so well put together.
But
yeah?
one thing you have to steal from her, like something,
Like a tangible thing.
It's
yeah.
a tangible thing, only her sense of style and her sense of like presentation. Look at that, both of them
This
have
is
such like she exudes calm and she exudes
Oh,
style.
wow.
I feel.
And one thing you want to steal from her, the
इसके-
jolly.
अगर श्रेया में से
Jolly
दो
element
इंच-
food.
Jolly element.
श्रेया में से 2 इंच कम हो जाएंगे तो ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. काश वो 2 इंच मुझे मिल जाए. ये
Ask me also, I'm
2
making
इंच कम हो गए तब भी ये लंबी होगी.
Oh yeah.
This is so sad.
And what would you like to steal from
So
your co-stars? किस star से क्या-क्या चुराओगे?
अच्छा मैंने नहीं बताया मैं.
She's
तुमसे
like
कुछ
Ashmi and then
Shreya's lack of F's to give, I want.
yeah, she's really like.
I really, yeah.
Bindas
Yeah,
and,
you know, I think just this self-confidence and just being so secure in your skin and really not caring about what people say or think. It's a
Yeah.
superpower. It's amazing. And Juhi is, I think, poised.
That's what, yeah. She's a calm in the storm. Really, she is.
You know,
like,
the
and there's
thing
like
is,
a
I
rough sea,
mean
she's
in
a
every way,
lighthouse.
like the way she sits to the way she is, and she can handle like anything
She is,
with
she
so
is.
much grace and beauty,
Lighthouse.
and soul. What is it? Beauty.
Also, like not just metaphorically lighthouse, we get our light from her.
Yeah.
See, we don't need
Yeah,
any
when we
lighting
sit
on our
next to her,
face.
we look,
get, look at this.
brighter.
We look
Yeah.
fairer now.
So also, if you talk about
Horrible.
family and family में सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल काम क्या होता है सबका? Trip के लिए मनाना.
Oh no, that I
Yeah.
like.
Like in the initial
100%.
days, जब when you were a teenager, was it that easy to?
So when I was a
ask-
teenager, dad and mom took care of it, which is why it was shit. So after I realized that I can take charge of like trip planning, I do that with my friends. I do that with.
But we're
like,
talking about the permission, like first
No,
permission.
no.
trip के लिए
I
आपने कब ली थी?
permission I don't care for. If I decide something, it's happening. Ask them.
Boss.
They've never had
She's a
free will.
boss lady.
Yeah.
That is
No,
true.
it's not that.
You don't
It's
have
just
a choice.
Don't give them a choice.
Yeah, but Shreya, we just have
don't
to do
have a
it.
choice.
We just have to do it.
Guys,
Just
if your
have to go
parents
along.
are strict, I mean, do not listen to us.
No, I think you should.
Try, why not? At your own risk, but try.
At your own risk, yeah. And what about your first trip? You know, when you convinced your parents that, you know, I'll be going with my friends and I'll be going there, and, you know, how was it? Like, were you that freely talking?
Yeah,
to
yeah,
them?
that was never a problem in my house. I was allowed to do whatever. But I remember my parents' first international trip was organized by me.
Wow.
And we all went out together, and that was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
But there was no friction. That's generally when we have to go out for dinner or something.
Yeah,
my dad
man.
decides to get ready
That's
2
true.
hours
That's
before
true.
I start getting ready.
But no, this is true.
And it's pacing in the living room.
I agree.
don't understand.
I agree. Dinner is such a nightmare to get my
Yeah.
parents to go out, but trip we can do.
yeah, somehow.
And I'm very old school. I've never gone for trips.
What?
I've only gone for school trips, which my parents readily sent me
Oh.
because it was an all-girls school.
It was same
है ना?
for me.
Same page
Same for me
हाँ.
also.
So then I have never gone. After that, when I'm now married and बच्चे, I have gone for few college reunions. Finally, 2 दिन, 1 दिन, वो भी सब देख के मैं जाऊँ 2 दिन के लिए. And then, yeah, so that's about it. I've really not gone for trips.
So now I think we all should plan.
I'm
a
now
trip.
totally dependent on.
Oh, no, we have decided.
Yeah, we have decided.
We have
We're going to
actually-
do
we
that.
are going
that
to, yeah.
one place that
Like, you want to join us since you have so much to share?
Yeah,
I'm
I
just
can
joining.
listen.
I'm not even asking. I'm just coming along with you guys.
I feel like the juiciest stories you have.
Yeah.
You have.
I do.
Yeah.
Very
tame
we
in
do.
comparison.
We'll
talk
listen
about
to you,
it
Gaurika.
Once
We'll
the
listen
camera
to you.
shuts. But also, you know, where would you want to go? पहाड़ों के उस पार.
नहीं.
समुद्र
We are
के
beach people.
Yeah.
Beach people. So
Yeah, I can do. I like both.
We also got.
So do I, but
we have already have beach bags.
Yes.
I bought them beach bags.
She
It's
did.
like,
She did.
As a parting gift or whatever.
Yeah.
Wrap
So
gift.
sweet. Look at
Film
this
wrap
nice
gift.
one.
So also what's that one common thing हर घर में जिसमें argument शुरू हो जाती है. So if we talk about exactly, I was just about to say that कि अगर एक रोटी miss कर दी या थोड़ी सी भी छोड़ दी, why did you leave that? Why did you know? So it's like that.
It's
So,
not that. For us, it's more like क्या बनेगा?
क्या
कौन
बनेगा?
क्या
That's the
खाएगा?
argument.
Yeah. Because all of us have like different
That's the
palates and
argument.
different like
Yeah.
sensibilities. But even that is not really a fight. Yeah, we are very non-fussy. We'll eat whatever.
But what about you guys? What do you think? You know, what's the common factor?
हमारे यहाँ
I don't know.
मेरे हम लोग
thinking.
किसी भी बात पे लड़ सकते हैं.
हमारे घर में खाने पे तो कोई बिल्कुल नहीं लड़ता. खाना is never a problem.
Yeah.
It's मतलब we discuss it a lot, but it's not. There's no argument over
Yeah, that's
it.
not
और
argument.
हम लोग बहुत अच्छे रहेंगे और फिर बिगड़ना है तो किसी भी बात पे बिगड़ सकते हैं, छोटी से छोटी बात.
That is true.
That is also
That
true.
is why we
Yeah.
can't remember what it is because we
Yeah.
never
So
do.
many.
You don't know what
So
started
many,
it.
yeah.
Yeah.
Also, if we ask about your first paychecks, पहली कमाई, and, you know, where did you spend it? Did you give it to your parents or like did you party?
So I
with
have
friends?
like 2 answers for this. I did a shoot for Delhi Times when I was modeling in Delhi. And I was promised 4,000 rupees, which I still didn't get Delhi Times. So thanks for that. And then the second was when I did Fashion Week. And I got like 10,000 rupees and I stored it. And then when I got poor, I encashed it. Sad stories.
That's a smart move. And what about you?
I did a summer job, I remember, right after school, or I think I was, right after school. It was a telemarketing job where I had to call
I
people.
did internship,
Wow.
same.
Yeah.
Even my thing was
and
that.
sell them an adventure
Running a
trip.
Adventure trip.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. For their kids or whatever.
Did,
It was like a,
did they buy? Did anyone buy?
yeah, people bought, but it's not like I got commission. I got a salary, which was very good
Yeah.
for that time. But I remember I gave a chunk to my parents, and basically the rest just went. I bought food. I ate with
Yeah.
the rest of the money.
Not bad. Even I did
And
that
you
in
know,
I don't
Yeah.
remember
I
mine.
didn't get
It was
paid.
long back,
This was also
but
in
I
Delhi.
think it was
Delhi, same.
theater after one of my initial shows.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Also, there's a fan question for you.
Woo!
शो कितनी मोहब्बत है से मुझे आपसे मोहब्बत हो गई and
कितनी?
बहुत ज्यादा मोहब्बत हो गई है ऐसा लिखा है
इतनी,
उन्होंने।
इतनी अभी।
ये मैं बोल देती हूँ
Yeah.
ठीक है और वैसे you know लेकिन कल मेरा दिल टूटा और
Oh.
मुझे लगा कि आपको भी मोहब्बत हो गई तो आप क्या
With
कहेंगे?
us, yeah.
back to breakfast.
This is with us.
you
She is
have to
mohabbat
say?
with us.
I want to say I'm sorry.
बट उनके लिए क्या जिनको आपसे मोहब्बत है उनके लिए क्या कहूँ
क्या कहूँ? उनका दिल टूट ही है तो फिर अब
टूट ही
sorry.
गया है तो वो रूठ गए फिर आपसे so what do you have to
So
say?
sorry, yeah, next time.